Right troops, I am currently down West Weems. Now if any of you know what kind of birds these are, put that answer in the comments for me because I do not have a clue. And unfortunately I'm using my phone so I can't really get a decent picture here, but you can still make them out. There is ducks there. But yeah, stick the answer in the comments, guys. But I would also like to show you this view. Absolutely stunning. Excuse that lady's laugh. Excuse that ladies. Hope you all have a great day. Don't forget to hit that like button. Take care, guys.